Hey everybody, Keddy with Where I Live. I'm standing in front of the beautiful Umpqua River. Look how beautiful that is. It is a beautiful day today. I'm doing a video called The Beauty and the Burn. That's what this is about. And in 2020, we had the Archie Creek fire that decimated so much of our beautiful forests. And we're gonna take a tour and take a look and see what has happened and give you an idea of what is being done to maintain it and whatnot, and just take a look at the beauty among the burn. There's always good that you can find in the midst of a lot of bad, and that's what my intention is. And so anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Let's take a trip.
Be thankful for where you live. Be thankful for forests and the creation that God has given us. We might not always have it. Something to think about.
So September 6th, there were warnings that we were getting warm winds coming in from the east, the Chinook winds. We usually don't see them for another month, but they came early amidst a forest that had trees overgrowing. There was forest power lines through those trees. The trees got knocked down, started fires. There were some grass fires. And when they showed up to start putting the fires out, they were very quickly getting away from them. On the 8th is when it officially started. 12 hours into the fire, there were 72,000 acres on fire. Late Tuesday, 100,000 acres were on fire, sweeping through, burning up all of our beautiful trees. There was a lookout that was taken out for forest fires. There was a couple of building locations. There was a fish hatchery that burnt down. There were 109 homes lost. And surprisingly and thankfully, out of all of those homes, and all of the people that were involved, there was only one fatality. It was a gentleman that was working in machinery, doing something with the forest, and I'm not sure what the story is, but he didn't make it. It was the largest in Douglas County ever, totaling 131,542 acres. Pretty devastating. It makes you think, it makes you thankful, and just, oh my goodness. Ultimately, our beautiful, beautiful North Umpqua corridor is just burnt to a crisp. But like I said, you look down at the river, look at the river's edge, and you see beauty, you see growth, life coming back. Life will find a way, all right? I'm still thankful for where I live, and I love it here. So this is Keddy Blumenthal, Umpqua National Forest. Southern Oregon. It's where I live. This is a great example of the beauty among the burn. North Umpqua River, absolutely stunning. Beautiful rapids, beautiful calm areas, spectacular. But let me show you, as we get up, the burn. And on the other side of this camera, the whole hillside is burnt. Just gives you a really good example of how there's still beauty. It's what we got, you know. Be thankful for what we have. We still have a forest. The entire state of Oregon is not like this, but it's sad. This area has all this destruction of the fire. But you look down lower towards the river, it's spectacular. So, yeah, the beauty in the burn.